Hello, and welcome to What's New in Ideate Software for the May 2020 release. My name is Richard Taylor with Ideate Software, and thanks for joining me today for this short update video. This video is designed for existing Ideate Software customers and covers the new features and benefits found within the May 2020 release for all 5 Ideate software solutions for Revit. This video features updates to ID8 BIM Link, ID8 Explorer, ID8 Style Manager, ID8 Sticky, and IdeateApps. Due to the large number of enhancements and features for ID8 Sticky, we have created a separate video to showcase those features. Please make sure you review that video for a more detailed look at the exciting enhancements within ID8 Sticky for the May 2020 release. The May 2020 release of ID8 BIMLink impacts versions for Revit 2018 through 2021, as shown here. Remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. You can review your installed ID8 BIMLink version by selecting the Check for Updates option on the ID8 BIMLink pull-down menu. Now let's take a look at the new features and benefits of this release. We have 2 newly delivered library links for creating actual spaces with geometry based on the linked room coordinates. Not only can you now create a new space with the same X, Y, and Z parameters from linked room definitions, but you can review other room information that may be useful, such as occupant or volume parameters. You can export the library link, Rooms to Spaces, and Rooms to Spaces underbar New to the same Excel file in order to copy information from one worksheet tab to the other, and then import back into Revit via ID8 BIMLink to create the new placed spaces. Please review our Ideate Software YouTube playlist to explore a more detailed video on this specific workflow. We have exposed several new properties that can assist with your quality control review. A new property named Has Edited Profile is available for walls with a corresponding library link named QC-walls underbar edited underbar profile. In addition, another property named Has Split Face is also available with a corresponding library link named QC-MC-Has underbar split underbar face. This property can be added to any category that supports the split face tool, such as floors, ceilings, walls, and roofs. These 2 newly added properties are also available in ID8 Explorer via the ID8 Query tool. For the Revit 2021 version only, we've added access to 2 new properties for walls. The cross-section and angle from vertical property is now available for review and editing within ID8 BIMLink. Again, these 2 newly added properties are also available in ID8 Explorer via the ID8 Query tool. A new data category with parameters is now available for sketch lines in floors, roofs, and ceilings. This can be useful for some structural analysis workflows. New coordinate data tables are available for more comprehensive review of your model geometry. The previous coordinates data table has been renamed to coordinates-survey, and a new data table is available named coordinates-internal. We are constantly adding to our impressive library of pre-configured BIMLink definitions. We have added a whole new health check category that can greatly assist with keeping your Revit models clean, healthy, and well-performing. Be sure to review this new category. Don't forget about the many updates made during the November 2019 release. You can review the specific enhancements with our What's New release videos for November 2019. The May 2020 release of ID8 Explorer impacts versions for Revit 2018 through 2021, as shown here. Remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. You can review your installed ID8 Explorer version by selecting the Check for Updates option on the ID8 Explorer pull-down menu. Now, let's take a look at the new features and benefits of this release. ID8 Explorer has support for newly added Revit 2021 elements such as infrastructure, direct shapes, and linked PDFs. In addition, all ID8 Explorer versions now sort within the results tree based upon the new sticky images for PDF, Word, and Excel. The Has Edited Profile for walls and has split face property that is also available within ID8 BIM Link is now available within ID8 Query. You can dynamically review the selected element or elements and choose to edit the profile if necessary. For Revit 2021 versions, the added properties for wall cross-section and angle from vertical are also available within ID8 Query. We've made it easier for large firms to share the warnings ranking and metric settings as an easy deployment. We continue to enhance all our solutions to work within the BIM 360 environment. Exporting the detail view and reading warnings and metric data can be accomplished via the BIM 360 desktop connector. The May 2020 release of ID8 Style Manager impacts versions for Revit 2018 through 2021 as shown here. Remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. You can review your installed ID8 Style Manager version by selecting the Check for Updates option on the ID8 Style Manager pull-down menu. Now, let's take a look at the new features and benefits of this release. We've enhanced the user interface to be more consistent. Now, fill patterns also show a preview just like line styles and line patterns. Filled and masking regions have been renamed from detail items to better clarify their usage. We've done considerable work finding style information in multi-nested families. This is a condition that seemed to surface within upgraded families that were created on a previous version of Revit. Revit no longer allows to create this condition with multi-nested families, but you may have some legacy project data and families that contain this condition. Besides the exciting feature enhancements, we have made many improvements and fixes to ID8 Style Manager. Be sure to review the release notes within the in-product help for ID8 Style Manager. In addition, it's always a good idea to review the release notes for all of our software applications. The May 2020 release of ID8 Sticky impacts versions for Revit 2018 through 2021, as shown here. Remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. You can review your installed ID8 Sticky version by selecting the Check for Updates option on the ID8 Sticky pull-down menu. Now, let's take a look at the new features and benefits of this release. ID8 Sticky has some significant enhancements with the ability to link stickies as images from Word, Excel, or PDF file formats with customizable DPI selections. But don't worry, all the great features you love about ID8 Sticky are still there, but we've renamed them Sticky Schedules. So now, the Sticky dialog has two tabs for Sticky Schedules, those that are created from Excel, and Sticky Images, those that are created from Word, PDF, or Excel. These new sticky images are linked and will update just like the sticky Excel schedules you know and love. Remember, this image linking is available on Revit 2018 through 2020, as well as Revit 2021. We've also had a top request to be able to repath multiple stickies at the same time. This can now be done on either tab by a multi-select and then choosing the Update From button. Another top customer request that we've had implemented is the ability to support the black and white only option within Excel. The May 2020 release of IdeateApps impacts versions for Revit 2018 through 2021, as shown here. Remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. You can review your installed IdeateApps version by selecting the Check for Updates option on the IdeateApps pull-down menu. Now, let's take a look at the new features and benefits of this release. ID8 Quick Select has support for newly added Revit 2021 elements such as infrastructure direct shapes and linked PDFs. In addition, all ID8 Quick Select versions now sort within the results tree based upon the new sticky images for PDF, Word, and Excel. Similar to ID8 Explorer, we've made it easier for large firms to share the project rules for ID8 Renumber and ID8 View Creator as an easy deployment. Don't forget about the many updates made during the November 2019 release. You can review the specific enhancements with our What's New release videos for November 2019. We want to hear from you. We can only make these meaningful updates by listening to the concerns of our users. Please don't hesitate to drop us a line to improve our products, videos, or online help. Speaking of online help, be sure to review our in-product and online help files for detailed information on how to make the most of ID8 software, including detailed information on many supported workflows. For more information on ID8 software, including online training, recorded videos, and upcoming events, visit us online at ideatesoftware.com. For any questions on features, licensing, or support, please contact support@ideatesoftware.com. For any questions related to ID8 software pricing, contact your local sales partner or email us at sales@ideatesoftware.com. We continually strive to listen to our customers and make updates to our software that are meaningful, efficient, and solve real customer problems. We hope you enjoy these improvements to ID8 software for the May 2020 release. I'm Richard Taylor, and thanks for watching.